Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this Honda MSX125, registered the 7th of July 2023 on a 23 plate with 1,126 miles, and presented in Gayety Red, benefiting from full service history and serviced just 18 miles ago. Since 2013, the MSX Grom, Mini Street X-Treme, has been transport of choice for a whole new generation of young riders around the world. It's easy to see why. Individual looks, compact dimensions, and full-sized motorcycle specification, suspension, and brakes. Add a peppy 125cc engine, and it's the perfect partner for busy urban life. This bike would leave us serviced where required with a full PDI inspection, 12 months MOT and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.